Good evening, good night, good morning, good afternoon. And this one is for the Jamaica people them. This is special for the Jamaica people them. So today Sunday, November 17, 2024. And the most I give me a message for Jamaica because Jamaica people now learn. Una not learning and una aggrieve the Lord more and more una aggrieve the Lord. He send it to earthquake and una still no repent. Una still a go on with una nonsense. So the most I said the rattling has begun. And those two earthquakes is to show that the rattling has begun. The most I said is not getting nothing from the church, the churches them. He said he's only getting bitterness from the churches them. Nothing else, just bitterness. The people they now worship as how they used to worship. Una na fast, una na pray. Nothing una na do. Jamaica, una don't know how blessed and love the country is by the Most High. Una no know that. Una see what I go on in Europe. The whole heap of flood. You know, so God mash up the US with the tornado and the flood and sending them. The disaster upon top of disaster. Right? He do it because of fullness sake. He might mash up the US and the European country them because them put our ancestors in slavery. That's why he's doing it. Did you see what happened in Spain? And Spain still a get flood same way. And God not done with Spain yet. More flood a come worldwide. So Jamaica, God say, one more earthquake a come. And this one I gonna measure around 6 or 7. One big earthquake a come. And me tell you, if the video so una go get one big earthquake and then a flood, or the flood then the earthquake. So the earthquake a go come and then the flood a go come. And after the flood, more flood a come, because famine is coming. God say He's gonna empty on a water barrel. Empty water barrel, that's mean no water. The food, Him gonna empty everything. So the flood I go wash away everything. I saw on a plant, the flood I go come and wash away. Your food basket I go empty. Your water drum I go empty. God say Him I go drop the disaster like raindrops. As so one come, the next one come, and then the next one come. Until he flatten Jamaica. And so when he done Jamaica, I go coming like 80. When he done with Jamaica. Because una na fast and una na pray. So only God alone can save you now. And this earthquake I go come. If it not come tomorrow, it'll come by Friday. That's how close it is. If it not come tomorrow, Monday the 18th, it gonna come by weekend. So una need to repent and give una life to God. And go back, go worship like when una used to worship. No give God half and half. Or give God una tiredness. He no want that. God want una full heart and full attention. And God said him a go drop fire in the churches them. Him a go burn down the churches them because he's not getting nothing from the churches them. So him a go burn down the churches them. Send fire and burn the churches them down. So wanna take heed and pray because only God alone can help you. So this message is for Jamaica and Jamaican only. So maybe see you in the next video. Alright, good night.